Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the location on Instagram, which is the new update available on your Instagram app. So if you want to download the location while using the Instagram app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to know is that make sure that you have updated your Instagram to the latest version available. If you have not updated it, you won't be able to get this feature. So the first step is opening your Instagram account, but before that, if you have turned your location service off, so go on settings and click on the option of location and click on the option of location service, and you just need to select the service on Instagram and make it to always. So after that, you just need to go on the option of Instagram, and this is the homepage of Instagram where you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar as well as the story said by other people at the very upper taskbar. So click on the direct message, and here you'll see the option of share a note and all of it. So click on the option of pinpoint like icon, and here you'll be able to turn on the location and share it with your friends like this. And you may also share it with your friends, or you may also share it with your close friends. So select the option and click on the option of share at the very bottom right, and you may also write a note at the very top, and you'll be able to share it like this. So that's it. That's how you can turn on the location on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.